So here I will uh, we will learn about the logical test condition in Excel. So if condition, if logical test, the logical test which I have taken is h2 greater than or equal to 50. So h2 is right now blank. H2 is greater than or equal to 50. Then it will Excel will give the result as pass. Otherwise, it will give the result as fail. See, for example, I'll put some number here 50. See, h2 is greater than or equal to 50 true. So it is giving me the result as pass. Suppose I change it to 40, it will give me as fail. So h2 greater than or equal to 50 is h2 is not greater than or equal to 50, so it is giving me the result as fail. So this is the logical if condition. Now we'll use the logical if condition nested if to calculate the tax rate for all these cars in US. So all these are in dollars actually. The price is in dollars, United States dollars. This is the tax amount and the if function. So this is the tax rate, tax percentage. So if the price of the car is less than 20,000, then apply 5% tax. If the price of the car is less than 30,000, then apply 6% tax. If the price of the car is less than 40,000, then $40,000, then apply 7% tax. If the price of the car is less than $50,000, then apply 8% tax. If it is not in any of this range, then apply 10% tax. If it is greater than any of these, then it apply 10% tax. So for that I will write the nested if function. So if function, if price of the car is C5, C5 is less than N6, that is 20,000. Price of the car is less than 20,000, comma, value if true, apply 5% tax, or else, comma, value if false. So or else I will not give. I will give another if instead again, comma, again another if I'm giving another if function here. So this is the nested if. So I will use the formula if the price of the car is less than $20,000, then tax percentage is 5%. Apply 5% tax. Again, nested if the price of the car is less than $30,000, then apply 6% tax, comma, again nested if the price of the car is less than $40,000, comma, then apply nested then apply 7% tax, again nested if the price of the car is less than $50,000, comma, then apply 8% tax, or else apply 10% tax. So close the parenthesis of the first if, second if, third if, fourth if. See the price of the car 27,000. So first I will convert this into percentage, and I will use the same formatting everywhere here. So 6%. So you can see if C5 is less than N6, that is $27,000 is less than, so $27,000 is not less than $20,000, it is less than $30,000, that is why it is applying a 6% tax. 6% tax. The price of the car is less than $30,000, so that is why it's applying 6,000 tax, 6% tax. So if I drag, I can drag and drop the fill handle here, but the result will not be proper because see every time the range is changing. You can see for this the range is now $20,000 is left out. It has come to $30,000. So again in the next one you can see it has come to $40,000 and the range is continuing downwards. So the range is changing here. The tax range. So the tax range is to be fixed. C has to change because the price of the car has to change. All other things have to be fixed. Rest of the things have to be fixed. So dollar N, dollar six, and dollar O, dollar five. C has to change. This only this range. These two ranges have to be fixed. C must change. Dollar O, dollar six. Except C, all other the this table has to be fixed. C must be changing. Dollar O, dollar nine. So check again how the formula. C is changing. N is fixed. N and O is fixed. Dollar and dollar six, dollar four, dollar five, dollar and dollar seven, dollar O, dollar six, dollar and dollar eight, dollar O, dollar seven, dollar and dollar nine, dollar O, dollar eight, dollar O, dollar nine. Now if you drag and drop it, you can see I'll get the percentage tax percentage for all the cars. Tax percentage for all the cars. Now I'll calculate the tax amount. Tax amount is nothing but the price of the car into the tax percentage. So for that I will use this formula is equal to C5 into E5. Press enter. So this is the tax amount. I can simply drag and drop it. This time it is all proper because both must change. Both these things must change. So now it is proper. So this is how you can use the nested if function in Excel. Nested if function in Excel.